Hey guys, John McDonald here. I thought I would come up with a video series showcasing remodeled homes that exist within the Crow Canyon Country Club to help give our neighbors some ideas on their future remodels. But before we dive into that, let's go over the existing floor plans here in the Crow Canyon Country Club. So the Crow Canyon Country Club has a total of 903 homes with a total of 16 different floor plans in the club here. Now, that's broken up into 564 townhomes. That's broken down to 239 manor homes and 108 estate homes. I hope that equals 903. Within those floor plans, we have the villas or townhomes that have a total of 8 different floor plans by 2 different builders. I'm going to use a cheat sheet here. So the Broadmoor Construction consists of 4 floor plans. 2 2-bedroom and 2 3-bedroom floor plans. The St. Andrews model, 1,436 square feet. The Pinehurst model, 1,364. The Sea Pines is 1,553 square feet. That's the largest of the Broadmoor. And then the Augusta is 1,539 square feet. The second phase of the townhomes is built by Warmington Construction. You can tell these ones are different than the other townhomes in the community because their front garage doors are all in line together. So if you drive down Doral, you'll be able to see that all the garage doors as you drive down the road are perfectly in line with each other, versus driving down Silver Lake, you'll see how a lot of the garage doors are kind of offset from each other on their driveway. So within the Warmington Construction, there's another 4 floor plans and 2 2-bed, 2 3-bed, 2-bath floor plans. And that comes to, let's see, we got the Alder, 1,491 square feet. The Cypress at 1,496 square feet. The Laurel, which I have, 1,619 square feet. And the Willow at 1,588 square feet. So that brings us to the Manor Homes. And the Manor Homes has a total of 4 floor plans, all single level. They're what we also refer to as zero lot line homes, where like the wall of the neighbor's home will very likely come directly up to the property line. It gives you a smaller front yard and a smaller backyard, but you're not attached to your neighbor's house like you would be in one of the villas. And within those floor plans, the 4 floor plans are the Clearwater, which is 1,948 square feet, Forest Hills, 1,769 square feet, Scottsdale, 2,137, and Wimbledon at 1,650 square feet. So that brings us to the last of the homes in the community, which is the estate homes. Only a handful of these are actually located on the golf course. Majority of them are located off the backside of St. George, where they back up to open space. And those have lots that are some pushing 10,000 square feet or maybe even a little over. So definitely larger single family homes. Some of them even have 3-car garages. And within that, you have 4 floor plans. I'm saying 4 with my hand down here, you can't see. So 4 floor plans. The Atherton, 1,865, which is going to be the smallest. The Hillsborough at 2,197. Piedmont at 2,660. And the Woodside at 2,880. And that's the largest floor plan. Now, all of these models have been remodeled. All of these floor plans have been remodeled, and there's examples out there that I want to be able to showcase. So, if you have any home out there that you would like to be featured on our little video series here, I would love to be able to interview you and also your house, find out what you love about the community. The HOA used to do a open house where people could showcase their own houses and people would walk through, the neighbors would check them out, give them ideas to help them with their remodels. But obviously, since COVID, people are still a little hesitant to that. So let's do the next best thing and just do a video series. We can do it one-on-one, we can social distance, and we'll make fun of it. So if you have a model and you're interested in featuring it, please contact me. I'd love to be able to feature your video and do a little interview. And I'll start with mine first.